Good afternoon, Kitty. So we have here, good afternoon, Papa. Green, Jepsi.
Good afternoon.
Okay, by Boa. Good afternoon. And we also have Kofan. Kofan, right? And also this one. This is by Boa. Boa, Jepsi, Kofan, Erin, and Fafa. Okay, are you ready for your math?
Yeah.
You have to prepare your book. Okay, you have to prepare your book. You have to prepare your book, master. Skills book. Okay, you have to prepare this one. We are going to answer this one. Okay. Okay.
Watch it.
What's that? Kofan? What is that?
Yeah, ใช่ลูกมิลินใช่
Oh, yes, that one. Okay. So we have Fafa, Kofan. Okay, Kofan is showing her. Okay, yes, that one. Okay, Marine, very good. Jepsi. And also Papa, right? Kofan. Okay, Kofan, you prepare your book now, Kofan. Kofan, right? You're Kofan, right? Kofan? Marine, this is Kofan, Marine, right?
Yes.
Okay. Kofan, prepare your book now, Kofan. Let us start now. You finish playing. Okay, now let's go. Book. Okay, and open page number 3. We are now in page number 3, but page number 3 and page number 4 is same topic. If you can answer, number 3 and number 4, 3 and 4. Okay. So we are in page number 3. 3 and 4. Yeah. Page number 3 and page number 4 is same topic. So if you can answer page number 3 and page number 4, okay, that would be great. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Now let us start. Let us start now. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now I prepare this one for you.
เดี๋ยวอันนี้มันไม่ค่อยชัดเราเอาแป้งนี้ดีกว่า
Okay. I will check first. Okay, just a minute. Where is it? Okay. Now it's time. Start now. Okay.
น้องไม่ได้เรียนทำไมไม่ได้เรียนก็ฟังเพื่อนไงก็ฟังไงไม่อยาก
Okay, welcome to our math class. Welcome to our math class. Okay, you have to listen now. We will start now. Okay, we are still in place value, right? We are now in place value. We will continue to our place value. Okay, we will continue to our place value. We are numbers by tens and ones. Numbers by tens and ones. Okay, page number 3 and page number 4. And now I want you first to listen to this one. This is value ones and tens. Okay, this picture is about value. Listen to this one first.
Welcome to Kids Academy.
When we look at a number, 35, each digit in this number has its own value. There is a number in the ones place and a number in the tens place. Let's have a closer look at each number to see its true value. The ones place is furthest to the right. The number in the ones place always equals itself. In our number 35, the 5 is in the ones place. Its value is just that, 5. It is represented by the 5 ones cubes. The next place over is the tens place. The number in the tens place is always 10 times the value of the number shown. It's like counting by tens to the number you see. In our number 35, the 3 is in the tens place. We can find its value by counting by tens 3 times. Let's try it. 10, 20, 30. The value of the 3 is 30. Another trick you can remember is to just put a 0 at the end of the number. The 3 in 35 is represented by the 3 tens blocks, which equals 30. In the number 26, the 6 is in the ones place and the 2 is in the tens place. The 6 is worth just 6, which is represented by 6 cubes. The 2 is worth 20 because it is in the tens place and is represented by the 2 long tens blocks. You can count by tens using the base 10 blocks or just count in your head. 10, 20. I'll leave you with a challenge. Can you tell the value of the digits in the number 52?
What is the value?
What is the value of the 5? What is the value of the 2? I'll give you some time to think. But if you need more time, you can pause the video and answer when you're ready.
You know what is the value of 5 and what is the value of 2 in this video?
Okay, here's the answer. The 2 is in the ones place, so it's just worth 2. The 5 is in the tens place, so I'll have to count by tens 5 times. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The value of the 5 is 50. Remember to look at the place the digit is in before you decide the value of that number. Thanks for watching, boys and girls. See you next time.
Okay, now let us continue. You understand that video? That video can help you understand about place value. And now let's continue to our topic. Okay, this is the place value. Place value starts. Okay, look at this one. Place value starts on the right. Okay, place value starts on the right and moves to the left. Okay, you remember that one? Place value starts on the right. We will first identify the right side before we move to the left side. Okay, because we are going to start in place value. We will identify first 1, 10, 100, thousands. You can reach this one out. 10,000, 100,000, millions. Yes, you can reach until millions. Yes, of course, yes. You are very smart, K3. But for this time, you are still in ones and tens. But for today, I will try to go until hundreds. Okay? Are you ready for that? So for you in your book, you are only ones and tens. Place value of ones and place value of tens. But let us go today because you are very smart. Let us go to hundreds and also thousand. Let us check this one out. You can reach this one until 1,000. Okay, I will give you here an example. Okay, this is just this one. This is the place value. I will refresh first your mind. Okay, we have here 86, right? We have here 86. Right? So the place value of 6 is ones. Okay? We have 6 ones and we have 8 tens. Okay? The place value of 6 is 1. Okay? The 6 is in 1's place. And the 8 is in 10's place. You understand? Okay, let's go more. Another example. Okay, we have here 386. 386. So we have 3 places, right? We have ones, tens, and hundreds. So where you are going to put your 6? Okay, 6 belongs to one's place. Okay, this one. 6 belongs to, you have to listen because in the next row, I will ask you the question, okay? So we have her 6 in one's place and number 8 in 10's place and 103 is in hundreds place. Okay, so we have ones place, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand. It is good thousand today. You are very smart, right? Now let's go more. Okay, now the number now here, look at the last number here. We have 1,386. How can you read this one? This last number, 1,386. Papa, can you read? This one, 1,386. Okay. So the value of the place value of 6 is in ones. The place value of 8 is in tens here. The place value of 3 is in hundreds. And the place value of 1 is in thousand. 1,386. Okay. So we have 4 places to discuss today. Okay, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, I have an example here that you are going to answer, okay? Okay, now let's go for the challenge. Okay, look at this one. Please value chart. Okay, please value chart. We have this one here, thousands to ones. So we have here ones. Look at this one. We have here ones. We have here tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay. So I prepared this among this number. Okay, 1,586. Okay, where you will put the 6, the 8, 5, and 1. Where is the place for this number? 6. Where we are going to put number 6? Put number 6 to ones, or where we will put number 6? Where we put number 6? We put it in ones, tens, hundreds, or thousand. Where we are going to put number 6? We put number 6 in one's place. Okay? We put number 6 in one's place. And then how about 8? 10. Yes, very good, Papa. Yes. So we put number 8 to 10's place. That is the place value of 8. Okay. And how about 5? Where we are going to put 5? 100. Very good, Papa. Where we are going to put 5? Marine? The place value of 5 is
ไฟอยู่หน่วยไหนลูกไฟอยู่หน่วยไหน
You have to answer 100. Very good. 100. So, Jepsy, where we are going to put 5? Where is the place value of 5? Is it in hundreds or thousand? 100. Hundreds. You see hundreds, right?
อยู่หน่วยไหนลูก
You have to unmute. I cannot hear you, Gypsy.
500.
You have to unmute your.
อยู่หน่วยไหนน้องยิปซี่
Hundreds. Yes, very good.
นั่งดูดีๆนั่งลงดีๆลงไปเอาแล้วรีบขึ้นมา
Where is the place value of 5, Kopan? Kofan? Okay, by Boa, where is the place value of 5? Where we are going to put the 5 by Boa?
มันเป็นยังไง
By Boa?
นั่งดีๆดู
By Boa, are you listening? Okay, we're going to put 5 in hundreds like that. Okay? And how about 1? This one. This one. Where we are going? This one. Where we are going? Thousand. Very good. Thousands. Yes. Very good, Fafa. We are going to put this one here, 2,000. Because the value of ones here belongs here to, this is the place of thousands. Okay? So we are going to put this one here because this one is 1,586. Okay, so we are going to put 1 to thousands. Okay? You know now? It's more easy now, right? Yes, it's more easy now to understand the piece value. Yes, very good, Papa. You are very smart. And now let's go to the next example. Okay, look at this one. Okay, this is very easy for you now. Okay, this is very easy for you now. Okay, Papa, where is the place? Where we are going to put 4? Can you read this one? Ones. Okay, we have here 2,894. Okay?
Okay.
So, 4. Where we are going to put 4? Papa? And
1.
ones. Very good, Papa. What is happening? Okay, what? No. Just a minute. I press it. Okay. Okay, so we're going to put this number 4 to ones place. Okay? Ones place. Okay, I put it here.
Okay.
Answer already. Okay. And how about Marine? Where we are going to put the number 9? Marine, where we are going to put 9? In tens place or in ones place? Huh? And Marine, in tens place? Yes. Tens place. Okay? Tens place. Huh? Okay. What, Marine? Yes, 10. Okay. Yeah, very good, Marine. And Gypsy, where we're going to put this one? Where we're going to put? In tens or in ones? Gypsy. Where we put the number 9, Gypsy? And? In tens place. Okay, tens place. Okay? Okay, now let's go to Paipawa. Where we are going to put the number 9? This 9 Paipawa. Where is the place value of 9?
100.
No, we put this one. This one is tens. This one is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So we will put nines to 10.
ไม่ต้อง 200
We are going to
Six อะไร
put 9 to tens. Okay, 4. We are going to put 10. The 9 and 4.
600.
Okay, this one is the 8 and 1,000. Okay, I did not put it in like that. So 2,000.
2,000.
Okay, 2,894. Okay. So 2,894. Okay, so the place value of 4 is in ones. The place value of 9 is in tens. The place value of 8 hundreds. And the place value of 2 is 1,000. 1,000 place. Okay, you understand?
6 ใช่ไหม8อ่ะ
Okay, it's very easy, right? Ones.
600.
Yes. Okay, can you say this one? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands.
100
Okay.
อันนี้อะไร
Papa, can you say this 4 place value, Papa? Papa.
100
Papa.
100 แล้วก็อะไร
Papa, can you tell me the 4 place value, Papa? Erin? The 4 place value you have one. Come on, Papa.
อยู่อะไร
4 place value. Papa. First is Papa. You have to tell me. You tell me the 4 place value. We will start with ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Can you do it, Papa? Okay, ones.
ตั้งใจดู
Yes. Yes. Yes.
เดี๋ยวจะอ่านตาม
Thousands. Very good. Yes, very good. So now let's go to Marine. Can you tell me? Marine? Marine?
อันนี้นะเป็น
Once. Come on, Marine.
100
Okay, once. Yes. 10. 100,000. Very good, Marine. Come on, Paipawa. Okay, once. Start in one's place. Come on, Paipawa. I want to hear from you, Paipawa. Come on. Once. Okay, Paipawa, come on. Paipawa. Come on, Paipawa. Tell me the 4 place value, Paipawa. Start with one. Paipawa, you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, once. Once. Okay, Paipawa, open your mouth. Once.
เขียนตรงนี้เราก็ขึ้นช่อง2
Paipawa, come on, once. This one is
100.
once. Tens.
ดูที่เชื่อสอนจะได้จำได้
Hundreds. 1,000. Okay, so these are the place value. Can you, Jepsy, can you tell me? This one is Jepsy. Okay, the 4 place value. Come on, ones, tens, 100,000. Okay, come on, Jepsy. Ones. Unmute your audio, Jepsy. Okay, once. Okay, Jepsy, come on. Unmute, Jepsy. I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you, Jepsy. Okay. Once. This one is once.
ดีดูอ่านกับครูก่อน
100.
Hundreds.
100.
This one is thousand. Okay. This one is
1,000.
yes. Very good. Kaufan, can you answer me? Kaufan, I want to hear from you, Kaufan. Okay, can you tell me this place value? Once. Okay, Kaufan. Okay, once.
Yes.
Huh?
Nice.
And this one is once. Once, tens, thousand, hundred, thousand. Okay, so we have ones again, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, that is place value. This is where we are going to place the number. Okay, and any number that we can see like this. This one is 2,894, and we know already where to put and where this number belongs. Okay, where this number belongs and place value. And now let's go to the next example. We have here 886. Okay, we have here 886. Okay, can you tell me now where is the place value of 6?
ไปดูอะไร
Okay, Papa, can you tell me the value of
ตัวเลข
This one.
ดูสิ
is in one's place. Okay, 6 is in one's place. Very good, Papa. Marine. Okay, we will put 6 is in one's place. Okay, one's place. And we have here. 8. How about 8? What is the place value of 8? What is the place value of 8?
8.
Huh?
8.
Yeah, in tens place. Tens. We'll put number 8 in tens. Okay? And now let's go to this one. The last number. This one. Where we are going to put
800.
Okay. 8. We are going to put this one in hundreds place. Okay? So 886. Okay, so we are in this number, we are only until hundreds. This number is only until hundreds. So we have here 886. Okay, we have 6 ones, 8 tens, and 800. Okay, that is how we are going to rate in place value. And now we have here more examples. So this is for your work, for your book. This is a small number here. We have here 32. The place value, we have 3 tens and 2 ones. Okay, 3 tens and 2 ones. So we have here 30 plus 2 equals 32. Okay, so 27, we have 2 tens and 7 ones. Okay, so we have here 20 plus 7, we have here 10, 20, 2 tens plus 7 ones. Okay, okay, now let's go to this one so you can answer your worksheet. So counting tens, and so this one is, okay, you know already this one, right? So we have here 24, the place value of, so we have here 20, we have 2 tens and 4 ones. Okay, in this example, Okay, because we go already to the highest number. Now this one is very easy for you already. Now let's go to this one. Okay, you have to answer this one. Okay, we are going to answer this one. 34, okay? Okay, 34. How many tens in 34?
3 10. 3 10.
How many tens in 34? 3 tens, okay. Jesse, how many tens in 34?
4 ones.
And 4 ones, okay? 3 tens and 4 ones. Okay, we have here, I put it here, tens and ones. So, by Papa answer already, we have 3 tens, okay? You have to write 3 tens
4
and ones, okay? And in your book, this is now in your book, okay? You have to count how many tens and you have to count how many ones. And after this, after you count already the answer, you have to write the number, the total, okay? Okay, equals 34. You have to write it here, the total, like that. You have to do like this, okay? You have to answer page number 3 and page number 4. So, and then let's go to the next example. So we have here 20. How many tens in 20? How many tens in 20?
2
How many?
2 tens.
2 tens. Okay. Very good, Papa. Jeffy, how many tens in 20? How many tens in 20, Jeffy? 1, 2. So we have 1, 2. How many tens in 20? 20, Jeffy? No, we have 1, 2. You have 2 tens. Okay? 2 tens and 20. Like that. You have to write 1, 2 tens. Okay, 2 tens. And how many ones in 20?
0.
How many ones? 0. So no ones in 20. So you have to put it there. 0. Okay? And after that, if you know already the answer, you have to write
Equal to 20.
So you have to write 20, okay? So 2 tens, 0 ones equals 20. Just like that, okay? 2 tens, 0 ones equals 20. You understand already? You know already how to answer your book? You know already, Marine, how to answer your book? Papa, you know already how to answer? Okay, you have to answer page number 3 and page number 4. Okay, let's go to this last example here. We have 14. Okay, how many tens in 14? How many tens in 14? 1. So we have 1 tens and 14. Okay? Okay, we have to write here 1 tens and 14. Okay, and how many ones in 14? How many ones in 14? How many ones in 14?
4 ones.
Okay, 4 ones. Very good, Papa. Erin, how many ones in 14? 4. Very good. So we have to write it down here. 4 ones. Okay? And you have to total. Okay, you have to total this one. Equals
14.
14. Yes. You have to answer the total number. Okay?
เอาอะไรมาเตือนมาสิสองจะไป
So
ฟัง
you understand already? You know how to answer your book already, right?
เราจะไปอะไรหน้านู้นหน้านี้ไม่ได้ทำเลยนะจะไปทำเนี่ยยังไม่ได้ทำเลย
I hope you understand.
เอาสิเอามาใส่อีกก้าวก็สามไงเอาสิครับขึ้นมาก้าวนิ้ว
You know already. Before I post my thank you, I want to ask if you have any questions.
ก้าวสิอะไร
If you have any question, you understand how to answer this book already. Okay, Papa very good. Papa understand already. Karen, you understand?
ได้100ได้ไง
Okay. Jepsy, you understand already, Jepsy? You know how to answer already? You know how to answer your book already? You can answer now, right? Okay. Now? Okay, now?
อันนี้หลัก10นี่หลักหน่วยอันนี้ก็คือมี1ไม่ได้1กองอันนี้ก็นับไข่ก็มี10 ลูกทำนี้ก่อนแล้วก็ไปทำหน้านี้อันนี้มันสับมี1 2 3ก็คือ3ใช่ไหมอันนี้หลักหน่วยก็คือ10มีอยู่1 10ก็เป็น31ต่อ31โอเคอันนี้จะนับมาทีละนิดกัน1 วันฟูทีไป
โอเคบายบาย
เอกนี่เท่าไหร่
Mary
มิริน
and by Bawa
ให้คุณครูก่อน
Okay, bye. Thank you. Thank you. See you on Monday, Kitri. Bye. I love you.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye.